Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling hard leads. List the Vermeer-attributed paintings you'll investigate and pull provenance and conservation reports. Once done, contact museum registrars and conservation scientists to request technical files and past X-ray or infrared images. Make sure to document who owns which reports and set deadlines for responses. While you wait, compile a timeline of each painting's restorations so you know when brushes could have been replaced or analyzed, and prepare specific questions about brush fragments or sampling records. You next move into technical verification. Obtain high-resolution macro photos and X-ray/infrared scans to spot brushstroke edges and embedded fragments. Then coordinate with a conservation lab to run fiber identification and paint cross-section sampling. This reveals hair type, diameter, and how bristles interacted with ground layers. As you analyze results, compare hair morphology to reference samples from hog, ox, camel, and synthetic sources to narrow candidates. Keep detailed notes so you can match stroke profiles to specific brush construction later. You finish by turning leads into physical access. Search archive inventories and auction records for any listed brushes or tool fragments tied to Vermeer Studios, then formally request on-site inspection or loans through curatorial channels. Once granted access, verify measurements and hair samples against your lab data and document provenance gaps. If things go wrong, missing items or ambiguous labels, revisit conservation reports and contact prior conservators. Often misattributed fragments or mislabeled boxes hold the answer, so persist and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.